Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp this message will take a while problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Next, go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or maybe turn on the airplane mode and off. And if it didn't work, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the files and all the messages and the media are gonna be deleted, so be careful with that. Be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.